Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss the budget line. First, what is budget line? Budget line is the locus of all those points where each point shows different combination of two goods which a consumer can actually buy given his income and the price in the market. Means it is a line which represents the alternative combination of purchasing two goods with the given money income and price of two goods. It is drawn on assumption that consumer has given income which set to limit his maximized behavior. Anywhere on a budget line, consumer is spending his entire income either on a single or both the goods. Suppose there are two goods, goods 1 and goods 2, and the price of goods 1 is P1 and that of goods 2 is P2. If the consumer want to buy X1 unit quantity of goods 1 and X2 unit of goods 2, he will have to spend P1 X1 plus P2 X2 amount of money. Suppose money income of the consumer is M, he can choose any bundles of two goods which cost equal to the money he has. So equation of budget line is expressed in the form of following equation: P1 x1 plus P2 x2 is equal to M, in which x1 show unit of goods 1 and x2 show unit of goods 2, and P1 stand for price for goods 1 and P2 for price of goods 2. M show money income. The budget line corresponding to the above equation, that is P1 x1 plus P2 x2 is equal to M. So by measuring the unit of goods 1 and 2, that is goods 1 along horizontal axis and goods 2 along vertical axis, by joining different points showing various combination of two goods, we get a straight line which is called a budget line or price line. Here are the features of budget line. First, the shape of budget line depend on the consumer income and the price of two goods. And second, it is a straight line. And third, the horizontal intercept indicate the bundles that consumer can buy if he had spent his entire income on goods 1. On the other hand, the vertical intercept indicates the bundles of the consumer that consumer can buy if the spend his entire income on goods 2. The fourth, it slope downward from left to right or it is a negatively sloped line. And fifth, the slope of budget line is equal to the price ratio of two goods, means slope of budget lines P1 upon P2, that is market rate of exchange. And the slope of budget line measure the amount of change in goods to require for per units, and that change in goods 1 along the budget line. The budget line is negatively sloped because to buy more goods of one, consumer must buy less unit of other goods as a consumer income is fixed, and it is a straight line because the budget line, it consists of only those combination of two goods which is cost exactly equal to the income of the consumer. All the point outside the budget line indicate the non-attainable combination, whereas combination on budget line or inside it so attainable point. And shift of budget line is depend on the consumer income and price prevailing in the market. If any of these value change, the budget line shift. Budget line shift rightward if consumer income rise, but budget line of two goods remain unchanged. A new budget line appear if the price is either two goods fall but money income remain unchanged. Thank you.